In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on shorts feed ads on your YouTube channel. Now, if your channel has just been approved for ad placement and you have just gone ahead and turned on the watch page ads, it's also important to go ahead and turn on shorts feed ads. So to do so, it is quite simple. Just go to your YouTube studio, and once you are in YouTube studio, go over to this an option here button and then click on it. And if I click on watch page ad, you can see it is on. However, if I come to overview here, you can see you are yet to start or get started with shorts and feeds ads. So if you have shorts video, that is one area that you can also get some revenue from, and it is good to go ahead and turn them on. You can just go ahead and click get started from here. Alternatively, you can use this bar and click the option shorts feeds ad. If you click on it, you can see we have an option to go ahead and turn on. As you can see here, if you turn this on, you will earn from ads and YouTube Premium in the shorts feeds. So go ahead and click on turn on, and then you'll have to read the agreement here. One thing you have to note is that YouTube will pay out 45% of shorts revenue. This is different from normal videos where you get a 55% revenue share. Go ahead and accept the terms, and then click on accept. And that is it. You will now start earning from ads. That's how you turn on monetization on your YouTube shorts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.